What's going on, world? Man, look, I'm at it again with the old dirty 30, right? So today, I happen to get the subframe out. Man, let me tell you what, that goddamn subframe, boy, look at here. That little thing was being stubborn, but I got the diff out too, which is there. Oh, you seen that? That's that big 7. But yeah, man, I got it out. I beat some stuff up quite a bit. I got a big old mess. M62 coming soon. But yeah, here's the subframe in all its glory. Yo, these things right here, oh my god, they were stuck on so good. Man, especially this one. Cut a line because I got all new lines. This is all original equipment, which you could tell I was banging on that. Man, you gotta do what you gotta do to get it out, right? So, one of my issues that I had, one second, it's a little tight in here, is that bolt. I kind of smash it up a little bit. So, I'm gonna do my research tonight, but this fuel tank needs to come out, and I'm just that much closer. It has a ton of rust in it. Tons of rust in it. So, get my little light. Come on inside the dirty 30. It's a little, let's see here. You turn the torch on. Bam, give it double light, right? So, see that, right? Just at the bottom of it. So I'm gonna sit that right there. Nah, I shouldn't have did that. Cameraman suck. 1 second, y'all. So, see if I can get y'all in there. See that pump? Matter of fact, let's do this. Oh, that's just got a lot of fuel in it. See if I can zoom in. Oh my god. That's fucking terrible. Oh man. Dang. I couldn't save that if I wanted. I might. I don't know. Jeez. I didn't think it was that bad. I really need to get down in that tank to see what's up in that tank. Oh. Oh, the sock is gone. Oh, man. Alright, let's get down in there. I don't know. Come on now, cameraman, get it together. Man, I don't know. Nah. I'm just gonna have to get a new tank. Damn it.